So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Blamdem is back, my people, and Blamdem come for Tek Dung Brit man Zozo. I'm gonna share that with Uno. Also, I've came people respond to Ivany, and I really respond, just have our opinion on Ivany. I talk about who fi analyze and who crash and re. Zine, me I gonna share that with Uno. Also, my people, we have destiny as a Brit don't want Zozo. Me not think so still. You know what I mean? And Dan talk about the same situation where Ivany talk about people fi analyze and re. And she also talk about like people beware how some things what people do. You know what I mean? Like for instance, if them touch you in your head, you know what I mean, that is a sign of like cursing you. You see me? I try put you down in a life. So I don't know if everything that me mention or me I go share with honor if everything, if me have that covered, but if me left out nothing I go see it. Seeing and maybe add more things as we go on. So make we get in here people, quick and fast.
They circle my life. Man want be me so bad. People listen, I mean him blame them. Me tell him already he cannot be me. I mean whole somebody cannot go life, he want dear and come here with people. People no must have miss me. But I mean him blame them, you know. Me a tough youth. One blame them badness. Hazel, thank you, okay? Big up yourself, Hazel. Yeah, J.A., big up. Everybody big up. And one blame them, man. You know, can't size up. People, listen to me, I say no. Just say, look at dirty cuff there. Alright. Hazel, thank you, Hazel. Big up yourself, you know, my G. Watching the people, me show now pre people. Read me now. You see me now? You cannot be me. You can't be me, and the man just try to be me. I talk about him, I'm top for him. But the boy with him Zozo, Mr. Zozo. Zozo, why you they try to build content of a Brit? Why you not go do something? Yeah? On a low life, bro. You on a so low life, on a choose to deal with a mad, a sick person just to build on the content. Mr. Zozo, or Zozo, or Zodi. Eh? Dirty Batty man. Big up in yourself from Ghana. Everybody from Ghana, big up. Mr. Zozazi. Where you not going to near Batty boy? Gonna call Ivany the people. Tell Ivany if me call her. Cause trouble me a looking at night and me come with violence. Violence me I did. Who I did violence? Come. Gonna call Ivany cause be a trouble me come here. Ersker. Bagare, where are they? We gonna shout about there. Ersker. People, listen to me. You are going. Violence, we are call Ivany people. Tell Ivany for me I call her. Tell Ivany for me I call her. Okay, people? People now have to tell them so they cannot be me. Cause one blame them and never two. You have to go be somebody that's not blame them. Demon with demon. Hardball. Pow, pow. When you're rich and having papers. Paper. When I have to big up on yourself, people. Me not sell no. Me love on the paper. Cause me don't love me, you know. I want blame them badness, people. Big up on yourself, you know. I love people. I love. You get me? Mega done gold ball. No, me not gonna left on a me the pan tour. But you me say me want tap and heal on up first. Remember music me say no people. So now I feel understand, you understand people? Sometimes when you see me on the live, just know say music, me say. Me don't want to miss me, man. Me will come back live. Me will talk come back live. Me will talk come live from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So, me will come in our Ray. You see me? So me will talk come live more. So people, just know say me there for you, know. And me care for you, know. And me love you, know. You see me say me I can't love me. Because me don't love me, no people. Yeah, man, me don't want to miss me, man. Tell Ivany say me call her. If the call Careless Ivany, I'm going to go call Careless Ivany. Remember me know Ivany Careless. Eddie, so me pick up for you with Ivany, you know, send nothing. Eddie, right now, me a turn by you, you know, me say, Eddie, like your money done by Ivany, man. So I waste my time, I'll big you up to blood club. Better me name big you up. Eddie, Ivany got this week on you out. Can me waste my time big you up and me not get nothing my blood clot. I bet you go on, you know. Be born out Ivany, I will go think you sense. I said no. That's what I tell you, dog. That's what I tell you, me can't rate none on here. Me wanna bomb buckle. Me waste my time this up Ivany. No, me call Ivany knows me a madman, so Ivany not take me serious. Ivany knows me no me no. When I go call Ivany, tell Ivany say me a call her. When I go tell Ivany say me a call her. I go burn out Eddie, I go and share something to her. So every time I tell it, I mean, me 3 years say no. Blood clot. No go call Ivany. Tell Ivany say me a call her. Come in the blood clot. Swear man they go send 2 blood clot gifts to your rep. I tell us boy Eddie, everything good. I'm telling you me can't read to yo everything good. I burn out bumbo clot Ivany and then yo Eddie yo. That's why me glad but people know me a hypocrite still so I don't nothing new. Call Ivany look me say me can't call Ivany on the phone. Eddie Ivany want man like me. Ivany want ghetto youth. Ivany no want no uptown DB boy. Ivany want man like me. Ivany, what go on?
Yo!
Me have to discuss the boy Eddie dog a while ago.
Yeah, this him?
Hey, me have to discuss the boy. After me the bunny out.
Apple high, me a call her tomorrow, yes.
After me the bunny out thinking go bunny out. Things saying go send me some gift. He not send it. So I say alright, me turn back on him after me a call you. Cause you know, me just a bunny out as me just a bunny out a while ago thinking go send some gift and he not send nothing. So making go name out a boy Eddie. Eddie a waste man. Ivany this name out your money. You know nobody. Ivany no want a big fat man. Ivany want maga man. Maga man have a buzz. Ivany want Yankee man. We can name out in front. Ivany no want you.
Them same this yo.
You know this me like, yeah.
So where do make Eddie?
Well, everybody if you know by now say Blamdem can't tame. You see me? And the people when it come to like Blamdem, you see me? It's like this now people. Blamdem is a youth where he come on social media and he bring down people and him get a buzz. Seen? But him have other things where him a do apart from just coming live and you know what I mean and look money on TikTok. Because right now my people it look like say in popularity and people interest in him a kind of fade away a little bit. So what him do, I try pace how him come on social media. Him no come on here every day. And you know what I mean? Him no do that because him see say the people them not really give him that push the like when him just got bring down people and come back. You know what I mean? Cause several times he forward and go back and forward. But since the last time when him forward and him get the buzz and people give him, he look like say him not have that much gifters again. You understand me? So right now him not really push up himself too much in them face for them, you know what I mean? Get rid of him quick. He might keep the people them interest by pacing himself and now come on live regular. So make me know if the people them are get like used to him, you know.
Ivany want crop. Eddie not this me nah, he not this. Yo Ivany, you see Batty boy there man, they follow me up every minute. Like he love man.
When
do man follow me up every minute.
If anybody need baby stuff and you really need it, you come, see? And if anybody have a Blamdem side, you visit my live in after this match. I'm giving away stuff to baby mothers. And I'm pregnant woman over there.
Eh?
Nobody over there not pregnant.
I'll tell them, let me answer you.
If you're not pregnant and you don't need anything, you guys can come over to my live.
Ivany, me blood clam, I forgot to tell you, sir. You know, say the one natty.
When though?
They tell the people about how Fraid to come around me. When Fraid to come around me.
Tell it to them the girl with pies your dreams.
Yeah, one wicked girl, me say me done with him.
Me say it will poison your drink. And you know my worst thing? Remember good. Me name this me no. Remember so when the camera go on him, me say who that? The she was ball out and say, no put the camera upon me, them the girl are my worst enemy. Me name.
No, watching about Ivany and not against it. Making go man, not a big and think and kill it. So blood with it. Me saying for your horse, me never know how to teeth big in her head. Not
so I reach found on the block.
Me don't know when he come there. Me say, me don't know when he reach there. But I ask God when he reach there. Me don't know when he reach there, blood clot. Cause I me no consent people around me now. Cause he go, cause me afraid if he take a picture of me and go send out it on TikTok.
I tell you so them why you think they beat him up at Jamaica? The girl them the gang him dog party and go and see girl them and take picture of them and the girl the girl them grab him. Yeah.
Natty, me no mean nothing, me a hypocrite. Alright, Natty, me take me serious. Natty, me no mean nothing, me a hypocrite. Don't take me serious.
I really friends to because she started.
Ivany, but Natty big and kill
Nice the snipe!
Ivany, me say the girl kill this, so me see the girl, me I said, this a girl a kill this, man. Sick me to muck so bad, me have to left. Rascal, Natty sick me to muck so bad. Me say, I find teeth big. In teeth, Ivany, let me see your teeth. Go, show me your teeth. Text your bumbo clad, you look like a some crackhead.
No man, he's sexy man, we see on TikTok. Left it.
I tell you, see you, that's why I can't, you see it. Me tell you everything.
No man, the two man, the body big and you need the third.
No, but Ivany, just for me, we burn out the girl don't like it, so the girl bring it on. Can we bring it on the girl?
Yeah, but you can't take what say body look good.
Your body don't look good to me, your body big and thick and
body chunk, man, your body chunk. Yeah, big body. Me see it, but
Natty, me no mean nothing. Content me they make. So no pray me Natty, big up yourself, Natty.
see him on the app.
You see him on the app? So she beg, so Ivany, when I get a talk with the girl, why not leave the girl alone? The girl not trouble you. You're gonna leave her alone, Ivany. Yeah, Ivany.
Leave who alone?
Natty, why you can't talk to the girl? Natty, I want a nice girl. Leave the girl alone, man. Are you're bad mind, Natty? See, your body look good.
Alright.
Let me hear your eyes. Let me say eye to eyes.
Go on, go play. That's
Natty, you see where you cast. You see where you cast?
Me a restart.
Rosealee, me see you fall off a true.
Fall off of what?
Fall off a bed.
I must have 5 blood clot, babe. Come you know me fall off of.
Add Ivany, call that paper. Tell Ivany say me not like nothing.
Rosealee, boy, just a
Ivany,
chat
listen, me not like
Rose.
nothing. Nothing big and think and froze. Thick body. Ivany, you know you're
boy, let's a chat you're careless.
Yeah.
No, I never that. Ivany, listen to Ivany.
Yes, come.
Nothing big and think and kill it. Me not like
Careless
nothing. Nothing bad mind that you have make your money on TikTok.
Rosealee, I hear just a chat a while ago.
No, me never that chat him. Ivany, don't make it a wicked man, oh God. Rosealee, I'm my bestie. Ivany, listen up. Put your ears there, so.
Come
Yeah,
on,
hear me? Ivany, put your ears there, so.
Might well have me change eyes.
Ivany, you listen to me or not? Put your ears there, so.
After this, me God come here about me give a giveaway now.
No, listen, no give me nothing, cause we need, give me it. Ivany, listen.
No, the things them for the baby there. Can't forget to forgive it to you.
Oh, we're on left, we're pitney, we already.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Moving forward. So Ivany, put your ears there, so. You know, say, Rosealee fall off.
You know why you're nobody business? Tell her yourself.
Ivany, don't make you leave me from me, your friend. Yeah, Ivany, don't make you leave me some.
Yeah, nobody a friend again.
Look how long me not hear from you. A long time you not go on live in Ivany.
I try mix me up. I come back and try mix me up now. You know, see?
No, I mean I mix you up. You're my friend. I can't take me a make. Ivany, look, you look good. You're hot. You look good. You're pretty. You're nice. Are we get Ivany here really here that day?
No, really. I'm gone left after this.
No, not going left him and Ivany.
I'll be a giveaway to do. I can't disappoint the people them like that. You know? No, me I go.
You can't give me something too?
No, what's for the babies? The babies.
So what for me?
For the children.
Paper, you know, show 2 money gun them, we catch this.
Guys, me I come after this one, guys.
I want somebody to text me about selling about.
Well, the people, you can't deny say Blamdem still a get him support, cause see my Rosealee and Ivany they per match and look on him score. See he look a stay away, him stay away. You know what I mean? Him people them still have a thing for him and come give him same way. But he look like him now steal out himself, and that is a good look still. But me want know if other things say if him and you know what I mean the people them love for him a kinda fade away. That's why him start keep himself, you know what I mean, half alive a couple of days, then come on back for build the anticipation. Let me know in the comment section, my people. You see me? So we're gonna watch some more and then we'll go over to the next.
And somebody that come to
But Rosealee, you can't do your neck too. Blood clot your neck look so you have about 5 neck you have. Rosealee, not gonna stay.
Me I go and look at you because something not right with you tonight. So come back when you're in your senses.
You look at come back, that's why you see it, all what me fall off, I just prove a point. When you see it, that's so easy me fall on back. For people, me end my life back. I show you say how tough me be. All what me fall off, look here. Me know what to do if you come back and so no can't study me. You know we mad. You know big dirty people, look come on. You can't study me. So all who they walk I tell people about me fall off. You know what to do if you come back and Black banks.
Yo, hey boy, Blamdem, who flop? No time, I can't flop.
Banks are big catches and you're a man, you're a big dirty cruff.
Yo, who them catches? Big pussy, Blamdem. Remember say I cut the criminal pussy, remember say.
You're a big batty boy, you're big catches and you're like a big dirty thinking cruff. Every girl on TikTok you walk you want them then crutches. You look a big dirty man. You big and think no bumbo clot. You look
I am mad and so like a dark pussy clot. Me say that.
You dirty worthless batty man. You sell the Benz you look around.
Hold on, me can't believe that.
Not now go on for game, batty boy, you broke, you have to come back a beg on TikTok. Top sorry, we tell them if you below us. We can then below us with the money, you could have rent out one room. You look a big dirty thinking, batty man, flat banks. If you did build a house with the money and then buy no car, you could have one room to rent out.
Oh, you dirty bumbo clot.
You don't build no house, I know you don't
boy,
like
kids man, that's half back left.
Every time we see up on TikTok, a bush we see, we can't see no background in our house. So you sing what we are do for true. You're not no bumbo clan ambition. You look at dirty thinking cuff. You look at what this fatty man. Big dirty thinking what this flat banks. When you out your mother flat banks, a big bar fly, every day in a bar a beg. You look at dirty batty man. A bar in a beg in a batty boy, you a bar fly. You out your mother flat banks. A bar in a beg, you look girl. Man are there with him, Coco. Coco, come here, Coco. You really done there that look on a cuff here. Come, hey girl, come here before me bring it down. Me nah cuss you, come here, me nah bring it down, come. No, me I tell you something, yeah, come here sir now. Or you run, which one of them?
Best day, no, my stay.
I mean run your file in arcade, a joke, yeah, my friend. Watch out, mama, here I go on. Look for flat banks. Tell me now, out of me have flat banks. Flat banks are cruff. You know them boy flirt with you, bro. Man, real man, we love you and see you flirt with them cruff you and think you're nobody.
I'm
so
a
you have to be careful with your flirt with. Make that boy gonna name out him, mama, look at dirty cruff. Flat banks are big, what this boy for a man to be, nah, no ambition. Look at cruff.
Them boy are running
big
from.
dirty, what this batty man.
Them boy are running from Mobby. Yo, man, rip my Mobby already.
Big dirty thinking batty man. Yo, Rosealee. Yo, flat banks, every day come here to beg. Man, in sell the Benz and buy one markets. Big downgrade. Him man, what this your blood clot? You can't left from Benz markets.
That's how much
you're too bumbo clot what this. So if you left from Benz market.
Bad man, that's so you cuss dog. You can't cuss.
Me cuss with the truth, batty boy. Me cuss any of me want cuss. You left from Benz markets. Mama, you're not for every day cross. You look on him good. That make him flirt with you. Look at your body look good. Eh?
I'm my bestie.
Ah, me a go left because you know no bumbo clot ambition. Can me tell you Lord, look at Batman alone.
It's my best.
Bumbo clot for yourself. You're fool like. You don't like that girl, you know. Let me ask somebody else. Can me tell the girl say man a cruff and the girl still a for him come off life.
Dead earthquake come down there and kill off everybody down at Jamaica. You see, true, me have my people them down there. Me never like that speech there. I'm gonna be honest to God. Me never like that speech there. Because me I look into it and I say, you know, so sometimes you see people mouth, sometimes your mouth can make things happen. Me out the road already, you know. And one girl ride on one bike, you know, as Samantha say, you can drop off and whatever. I know say not even less than 5 blood clot minutes that happen. The only thing never happen. What she want to happen, never happen. But the girl drop off and chip up. You see your mouth is a powerful thing. And we have to be careful what we wish for in our life. Because we don't know a generation where we are come from. Some of we are come from a cursed blood clot generation. Some of that's like enter you see them say nothing. Look out to blood clot. A generation where them are come from. Remember, some of our ancestors are hobby worker. All kind of demons and devil and remember say we come from Africa, you know, where most hobby, voodoo, all kind of sitting. Some of we mouth is very powerful. Thank you. That's why you hear Jamaica people always say, don't make people put them mouth. Can they put them mouth on your picnic? Because some of we mouth are poison. Some of we mouth are poison, but we don't know, you know. We don't know, so we mouth are poison, you know. Sometimes it take we years to find out, like I said, blood clot. What do you sit running on my mind? And me say it in my mind, and it happen for you. I know sitting running on my mind again, and me say it, and it happen for you. I saw you gonna know. What do you sit running on my mind? And me say it in my mind, and it happen for you. I know sitting running on my mind again, and me say it, and it happen for you. I saw you gonna know. Sitting for your man, it happen, you don't even know, say, and you make it happen. Because you never did pay attention to it. Word is very powerful. And as we say, as me say, we don't know where we tribe come from. We don't know the tribe where we are spring from. And you will ask for something and you get your wish. You get what you ask for. Because some demon spirit I listen and say, alright, at this you want, me I go give you your wish. Your wish granted. So them they sitting special when you and the person them not have nothing in common and I like say, who never go down Emmanuel Road or you know, so war from back in the day so now carry a long time ages and all of them they sit. You understand? For you want them to sit there for happen to people and them there. No, you know, do them something there. So what you think we are going to think about you? We are going to want the same thing for happen back to you too. And you just want somebody I wish it. What if everybody I wish back the same thing for you? What if one out of everybody we are going to wish it back for you? Have the mouth when me I talk about. Just think about that. Because you just want somebody. Just think about that. What if when you have said them something there, how much somebody go up and fasting and I send it back to you? And it really come back to you. You know, think about them something there. You have to think about them something there too. You have to think about them something there. And from what day me I watch the show them, the African show them, you know, and me I realize a lot of things when me say we up in Jamaica. And a lot of things when me hear all time people talk about and say, don't make people put their hand in your head and all them something there and mess you up. And no, me just realize say all of them something they real, you know. All of them something they real. People will shake your hand and I enter your blood clot. They don't take your life, you know, they mash you up like they curse you. Just by shaking your hand, they curse you. Just by touching at your head, then curse you. I think we are up long. That's why all time people.
So Ivany don't talk with people, you know what I mean? But by now, social media for just know say you're Ivany that. And don't expect nothing from her. Because it's a person who say what them say, when them say it, how them want to say it. You see me I say, I don't give a F about no consequences. You see me? As me telling you a long time, that girl been on social media. You see me? And part of being on social media for that long, you have to sell your soul. You understand? Part of being on social media for that long and relevant for that long, you have to sell your soul. Meaning, you dash with all morals, all standard, all respect some of the time. You see me? You do whatever it takes to stay relevant. Some of the things them what you may say or do, you don't really mean it or believe in it. But forget a reaction out of people or forget a moment, you say it. You understand what I say? So we don't really hold up Ivany to know standard or nothing like that. We just know say Ivany that and she go say whatever she want to say and do whatever she want to do. You see me? So make me know what to think, my people. I watch some more. And also about the touching the head thing. Me pray that something there, you know, my people. A real thing, you know. Don't make nobody touch you in your head. And them way them. I don't know about the shaking thing still, but the touching the head thing, yeah. Me used to have somebody like, you know what I mean? I'm a workplace or something. We love do that style of touch people in them head. You know what I mean? I have to make you know say, yo, don't touch me in my head, man. Me don't like it. And this before me hear this is something like that and I say, you know, before. So just naturally me never like it. You see me? So let me know what you think. I want some more.
They're real. All of them, there's something they're real. But you can't just get up and just wish evil upon people, because thousands of people are going to wish about the same thing upon you. And then you're going to wonder what you do. And you curse yourself by saying certain words, and then hundreds of people say about the same thing. And one out of them people there will say it, curse, or have a spell a care upon them. You have to know them something there. When somebody says something to you, when you return back a favor, fine. You keep on and say, people are call up your pitney name. So if somebody say, your pitney, then call your pitney name. And that you keep on and say, people are call up your pitney name. Look how you do people pitney. And you say, people are call your pitney name. When somebody says something just yogurt. Look how simple it is. Go give your pitney yogurt. A food, you know. I eat, you are eating, you know. So I don't like say I sitting by the way, I say, go give him that kind one that you are eating. So true you and I say, you go eat that. The amount of name where you give the little baby. Just by the person say, I baby if you give the yogurt. You go over too much boundary, man. You overdo it. And that's the truth. That's the truth. And when people talk the truth, you know, say people don't like, you know, and people this and people text it pound and people. But you know, give people things to talk all the while. Because if you don't talk certain things, nobody don't have nothing to say. So you don't love the argument and you don't like when people talk about you know. But the person who talk about you know the most, up to now, me not argue with them. Up to now, me not argue with them. That means I'm with certain people who don't have strength for. Because I'm more than 20, 30 times hear Shebada class up on TikTok. And up to now, me never hear you answer Shebada one time. And that's going up at me. And that's going up at me, you know. Sometimes you see some people, I wonder, oh, they encourage. I say, oh, Miss Salsa, you think are your generation, what your generation do? And it can fall upon you. It can fall upon you. And you have to know that. If you're a girl will love name out, man, when you get for your boy, you just tell yourself it's a blood clot, the girl. You go there about it, you know, we can't do about your blood clot, you know. It come like that, make you have your eye upon him even more to blood clot, like you say. No matter make no girl come near me out, you know. Every minute, this, yeah, that's a car, it's like you know, say, and him a go bear the blood clot penalty, I it. Remember me tell you now. And me I tell you, say, a lot of people are going to pray back for she. For all of the bad things them she say, them are going to put it back on she. And sometimes things are happening in your life and you wonder, say, oh, you're so bad looking. Oh, I know what you do, what your granny do. How your great-grandmother do. How your mother do. How your father do. And it come fall back on you. You never wonder some people in your community. Some people in your community. Some people in your community. Like, and different till when you look for the high school in our community. And different till when you look for the high school in our community. When I sit down, I watch a man cursing family. A man say, every boy pick me away. When I sit down, I watch a man cursing family. A man say, every boy pick me away. Family then doing that. That thing go be a man fine. And the woman them a wonder say, oh, no matter what pick them just from say 10, 11, 12, like them can't pass 12. That the man they we curse them dead and gone, you know. And he cursed the family same way, you know. Cause man do it for heavy blood clot generation to come, you know. So you have to go find one stronger old man now if you go take off all that the blood clot curse there for your family, you know. Remember me tell you, man. Some dangerous people, they are only, you know, special black people, you know. Some dangerous people, they are dangerous. Me I talk to one lady, me have to laugh, you know. So, me I watch one snake show, right? But the African show them where a woman breed have 2 snakes. So the woman said she beg me watch the show everything, you know, couple days ago. So my African friend said me fi carry her, she beg me a ride. So I say alright. So me and her and I carry, me and her talk. So Mr. Tora said, why African people love Obia so?
Alright, but people, alright, when it comes to like Obia and them something there, being a part of Africa, you see me, like it's synonymous with Africa, right? People say, like, that is the original, you know what I mean, religion of African people. You see me, I say, not Christianity and them something there. Like Pocomania and them something there. Science, them there. You know what I mean? The original religion Africa where ancestor them practice, you know what I mean? Them believe in a like their deceased people. Like them have as them where they say you know, like how would I have Jesus. Yeah. You see it? So more want to tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like African people just dumb, stupid, and feel like say that thing will be a work for them, or you know what I mean, it work for them. Because you must see some type of result. If it's something where you practice and everybody practice, they must see some kind of result. You know what I mean? We convince them say, boy, yes, I that way, yeah, this we believe in. You understand? And tell me if you don't believe in a generational curse or curse overall if you don't believe in it. See? Because me can't really believe a man, normal man, natural man like myself will bleed and breathe air can have the power to make my life miserable or to destroy my life. No, me don't think so. You have to come better than that. You have to be a supreme being or something. You know what I mean? For me, say boy, Ray. You see me, because most of the people them even who work over here, a whole heap of things I mean that for them life with them not see coming. You know what I mean? So me just feel like say yo, a trickery, yeah, man. But let me know what you think.
She said, eh? Me say, why wanna love voodoo so? She said, not where I'm from. They do it where I'm from, you know, but not as much as Ghana, Nigeria. Them do it more. She said, our best friend. Listen to this, you know. Tell me if this is a coincidence. She say her best friend married to a man. And when his best friend's sister go look for him man turn a girl in a snake. So a girl can't come out of her house. So when the sister go, him man say your sister is no more. And carry her, go show her sister. And she said, that's not my sister, that I want snake. And the man say, your sister. Call her name 3 times and look if she not go look up on you. And his sister say, Ada. And she look up on her like so. And I cry. So I push more out of my car, you know. I push more out of my blood clot car. Yeah. Is you know, you ever tell us, and that me watch what they know. Human breed. I know human sleep, a man go fuck human, you know. A man a snake, you know, go fuck human and sleep, you know. So it's somebody who cursing man, you know. So she buck him up a road, you know, and don't know saying cursing and carry him home, you know. But she always a wonder, oh, you know, want a pussy. But in can't fuck her until when she asleep. When she asleep now, when change over, so she don't know nothing where happen. When she wake up, she don't know nothing where happen. So when her belly start get bigger and bigger and bigger now, she realize she give twin, she have the blood clot, 2 little snake. Cause man a snake, if father a snake. She say man turn a woman in a snake and have a woman in a house. So like say a woman that come from Spanish town and in got town go look man. Or say in got a man to go be a Westmoreland go look for a man. And from in got Westmoreland the man say you not go back a town. You not go back a town. And you say you turn. And true she want go back a man turn him in a one snake and have him in a house. So when the sister go there, if you go look for him now, because sister wonder say, oh, her sister not come, how long normally she da go and come, her sister, and she go. The man show him in her house. She said that was the end of her sister. One big green snake. Thank you, Blue. Me I say, wait, Bob. You don't feel like say, hey, me I tell you say, evil upon earth. Evil upon earth. Remember me tell you that. You see, I said blood clot man, they want to see dead day before you see that whenever I'm dead. Easter Monday or whenever. I devil that blood clot there, you know. And that my mind tell me. I see it on that blood clot there. You think nobody can take, if one time one of them come at Jamaica, 14 somebody dead the day to blood clot. I devil them there. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me about poor. I devil them blood clot. What you mean? I devil them there. And I have a drop of remorse to them a blood clot. The amount of sacrifice for them do on earth to blood clot. You would believe. You would believe. Them the people there. Them. Me not no remorse to them. No remorse me not for them, the type of people. And the people are devil in himself to blood clot. Me not sorry for them, none at all. They are wicked. Wicked people them there. But as me telling you say, your mouth is very powerful. Careful where you wish for. Yeah, careful where you wish for. And you see, I make me tell you now. Half of Jamaica or 3/4 of Jamaica, when they hate your blood clot picnic too. They hate everybody for you. Me not ask Christ that blood clot there. Because when me hate you, me no want to see nothing around you. Everything where you look on her, talk to her, sit down with me hate to blood. People me know answer. Holy of Jamaica people me know answer. And a them build unnecessary hate. And for them one of people them. Just by way you do turn pan your pitney because they must say, oh, that man there, I did one wicked man, I son that, whatever. Be a disadvantage. Nobody will take a film later on a blood clot. Be a bad talk. Be a bad talk. No good. Remember me tell you that blood clot, there are so Jamaica people stay. If you do good, and later on in a life, when people see your pitney, see like how they respect you, I saw they respect, then glad to see your pitney. When they see your pitney, they say, Jesus Christ, I'm Mr. Jimmy's son. You remember Mr. Jimmy, nice man, when you say, yeah man, nice son, this look going to turn out nice, whatever. I saw them, you look at their face, pleasant and everything. Make a one blood clot demon man will come from a blood clot community and I'm pitney. Nobody care if you want to come back in a community. You could have come in there and lose in blood clot life because somebody remember sitting when do they find just say,
Hey, a real thing down attack, you know, my people. A real thing down attack, man. And here another thing, you know, my people. You see, if you no have no, like your family no have no name, like you know, have somebody where people love in your family or rate or whatever. Seeing, it's hard for you get ratings, you know. Yes, it's hard for you get ratings. You see me I say? So right away you're at a disadvantage certain way because if like say people don't really know your family for nothing at all. If anything I go on like say I walk a broker or something like that. Seeing you are at the last, you know, because a man I go definitely pick who him know and who him people them know first before they come to you. So you're at a disadvantage right there. So I just say naturally like nepotism. You see me I say? So a real talk, man. So let me know what you think. I watch some more.
you chop up in blood clot. Because Papa did do this and Papa did do that. And Mama did do that. I saw Jamaica people turn. Remember that blood clot. So don't feel like say, yeah, we'll give you hot water for drink and then later on we'll give you your pitney cold water for blood clot. Drink ice water. You must be mad. You what? Vinegar might get on them blood clot. I saw Jamaica people turn. Them no figure out nothing. You see if I went mighty God. And then she act like say she don't care that she said she don't care, so that's why people are say when she never have fear one, that's why she has a talk bad about people one. No, she have fear one and she still so what she expect people are gonna do with fear. I said Fee said when you feel like fear when I go drink ice water, other people when I go drink hot water. No. Anything when good for go side, good for gander. When you feel like fear when I go drink ice water, other people when I go drink hot water. No. Anything when good for go side, good for gander. See nobody. Your mama live at Jamaica, your family down there, and you want the whole Jamaica for dead. That alone for sure say you're a demon to blood clot. That alone for sure, and then you're shit, you know. I devil around the world. You have a right, yeah, you pitney to own blood clot devil. Because you bring Satan come on this blood clot right here. Oh, devil around. One thing me know, I always good over evil. And one thing me know in a life. If you say 1,000 people, them are so, but them are use them brain to stop a fight. Only through them brain can't stop it, but them are use them brain and I say, somebody can't go part them man, somebody can't go part, you understand? Somebody can't go part them, but deep down them themselves scared to go do it, but like them are use them brain and call other people to say, come help, no, come help, see two man fight, come help until more and more people come and come part them. But yeah, that's our mother say. You don't know how evil will prevail. I don't know. It can happen for a while, but how long? How long it can happen for? Alright. You think if you want to do it, the Prime Minister can do that blood clot in a jiffy if he want. But people have to pay the blood clot price. To get the country to come how they want the country to be. All him have to do, I set blood clot rules and law. I sign that blood clot and it done. Oh, they want the country for me. All him have to do, I set blood clot rules and law. I sign that blood clot and it done. So I cut. He said, blood clot. I said, Jamaica change up. So where gunman then there? They last long of that blood clot there. No more of them. As you see them, so as their name called, put it on them blood clot. You don't have to carry them in. We just want you their name call and they say gun. Then have to finish out say man. I want a blood clot and say how quick it done. Yeah. If the government want, but if fear say I'm going to lose the election, if you do that. Remember me tell you that blood clot, that are them biggest fear, if you lose the election. You see, if I did like how you say, America, where you know say you have to do your 4-year, 8-year, 2-term and done, yeah. But you see through this and now no limit. So one prime minister can rule all 100 years at Jamaica to blood clot as long as he have breath in his body and the people them have vote for him. So that time biggest fear if he lose the blood clot election because the garrison always stand up strong for them. You think rich people are going to blood clot vote? You think rich people are going to vote? All them sit there, but me have to say government have to cut out every blood clot, human rights. So could no mama come out of our country. We don't want to hear no more. Different thing with the pan. What the fuck do no? Change rules, law. 14 girls, 14 parish and down the blood clot. Thank you, I saw you have to do it. Ready up. You give them time for carrying the gun them. And who no carrying it get fuck. Yeah. Now we're going to start build up some project and some heart and them there you going to learn blood clot trade. No girl can't come out of school until in blood clot graduate. You could have 10-100 belly under your blood clot. You have to go to school with the belly side way till you have picnic. Different rules and law. Yeah, change it. The government can change the rules and law in that blood clot. They say, yeah, something different we are doing. No Caribbean never do. 14 girls. Put one a Portmore, make 15 of them blood clot to come here so then cut off a man to one. Yeah. Put one over there too. And you give them 3 months if you want to give them 3 months or 6 months for carrying heavy blood clot gun. Because if your name call Panny, we know what we know if you find you. If your name call Pan that blood clot, then you got the patters for you. We don't want to see you. You're dead. Knife see your yard in your kitchen. You and a man have something to fight out that blood clot a road. Fling a big stone and bust up in blood clot or a buckle. But if you use a buckle and joke him in blood clot, you go to prison. If I fling you and it bust in your head, alright, nothing wrong. Yeah, a fight. Have you change the rule, man? Because you know people get high sometimes, you know you want throw 2 thump. Yeah, I'm not free if you do that. Some of you will keep on a blood clot already now in the mouth. Because some of you rank like piss. And can't defend on the talk. Like when me look at me, you push me friend up and then one of them me run off some blood clot. Because me not on the bad don't lick it up. Me God, to blood clot. Me used to be go so, me ever, hey, my friend again, nobody can find stone like me, lick a stone. Hot patty, I'm for me hand first. Hot patty, baddest man box out and take a touch. If me have this blood clot in my hand too long, I shake you and nobody that box out. Me I push somebody past somebody and run off. As if I start, God, blood clot. Because you see one of me push, I go on, turn it on me and fight this. Blood clot, yeah. Gone. Real rich one. Yeah, man. And that's the government for do them blood clot down there. Jamaica people dying for going back. You see, like you want to write you about the left me.
Alright, my people. You see what Ivany say? There is some truth to it. You see me? What Ivany say? There is some truth to it. But you see, at the end of the day, my people, evil can't run nowhere. Evil can't run place. You know why? Evil comes with chaos and a lot of foolishness. You know what I mean? And if that run the place, every day, although we are every day people unalive, but every day everyone. You see me? If evil for run place. But me not go tell you no lie. You can't say certain things are evil run. You know what I mean? Because you see people love exclusivity. Exclusivity. People love that. People love to know say them in a something. You know what I mean? Some people were never like achieve certain people never achieve certain things, they never grow up certain way. So once them see a thing where them can in and they look exclusive and say boy a certain people alone in this and enough people don't know about this and them something there, enough people love that. You see me? So you'd get people to join in some things more while. You know what I mean? Because they want to feel like say they are a part of something. If you don't understand what I mean. So let me know what I think with people. We are going to watch some more.
So you're mad? People dying for going back. You know much people there that want to go home? You know much people want to go back to Jamaica? And through crime and violence, they're afraid? Every time when they hear about one senior citizen dead down there, make them afraid more and don't want to go down. Yo, people, so you just see the country develop even more. I say you see the country develop even more. You just see people dying for go down at that blood clot they go build up by their house and ready for go back down they go live. The government can do it if they want, but then, as me tell you, them biggest fear of lose the election. You see them people them, you know, we want peace and quiet, you know. I want peace and quiet, you know. And them same one I go say government wicked, you know. Remember that blood clot with Jamaica like wickedest blood clot. Remember that blood clot with Jamaica like wickedest blood clot set of people. But we are wickedest set of people, African people. I worship vanity like me, I know. Then I worship clothes and books. I worship vanity like me, I know. Then I worship clothes and books. Up a blood clot, I be a dirty clothes to them in a, and I will have a big wholesale. Up a blood clot, I be a dirty clothes to them in a, and I will have a big wholesale. You never see them in a nothing sensible? No. Here a girl make a video. Look on the man foot in his slippers and a them make them. Time. I say, oh Mr. Chin, I've only tear up Yanzi and the slippers of Mr. Chin have been towed the way over on the ground. So the girl I said, China them mean, they say China mean and China mean for true. Look at the man foot out of his slippers and look at the tear up Yanzi. That's why China they so well advanced.
You know see the score anytime you're on the Pana match. You notice see the score you watch? You know what she do what here? She say, oh you win this one. Let me play again. You see when you winner, you see when you winner, she not make you go on, you know. You see when she win you, she gone. And when you win her, she said play again because she want to win you and then she jump. She did some. This watch the score. She know she had what people. Me hear woman depend. Me no want no blood clot like me no want this lion more. You know woman a cuss. The woman cuss and say, oh she see $89 in her account. She no want that. The woman say she no want no $88. The woman say woman say want to learn any things them. You know every step you're making Britannic of. You know everything what you do. You take your, she say, you take your, all of your money. You take all your money, mind your mama. Me coulda mind my mama they are foreign. When my mother got friend, I don't give her $1. And since my mother got Jamaica, me give her money. Me coulda take my money on TikTok and give to my mother where they are foreign. You're crazy. And a foreign today, you're mad. You're crazy. Oh, Brittany no want the man. Brittany, where Brittany do? Brittany had tried do everything to come back. And she said she not come back. Everything she had tried for do for come back. And she said she not coming back. This man, Mackenzie. You are the one. You are the MP for Tivoli Garden. This man, Mackenzie. Not everybody have money in a foreign. So, me not care for anybody have money in a foreign. Me not take my money. Let me tell you something. Anybody have foreign tell us they must suffer, lie them a tell. No, me not mean suffer, because people foreign can suffer. Anybody have foreign tell us them hungry, a lie them a tell. And if them tell us them homeless, me no want hear nothing. A whole heap of blood class shelter there. And a whole heap of pantry. Me don't know about the America. You can go in a shop over here, eat and come out. Them have whole heap of free place where you can get food. Good quality food. Card where you can get things. Jody Reed, come off from my page. Dirty bitch. Come off from my blood. You're ugly. Come off of this blood. You favor Lisa hype. Lift up boy. Yeah. Your face favor hug. There are a lot of places. One heap of free place can get food. So Brittany take all of your money, give her mother. That's what she say. Where the money there? Where Brittany make on TikTok? Where's the money? You know where the money there? She walk and buy all sort of foolish.
Analyze still, you know, with people. Brittany ram for buy some friggery still, you know. Me nah lie. Everything Brit say and I catch it Brit buy it. One at a time Brit buy how much clothes till when you're looking at Brit house just pack up with beer clothes and all different type of things where she buy. You know what I mean? She can hardly find space for walk to ask me I tell people. You know what I mean? So Brit really spend her money on foolishness for you. But you see Destiny them. You them say thief no like to see thief with long bag. You see me I say them want up on the scene right through, you know, and make money, you know. But you see, as anybody if you do certain things like for chase clout or if you do things to get a little highlight, you see me, them start talk about it like say the people them, you know what I mean, nothing try to stay relevant like them also. But naturally me not feel like say Britta do this to try stay relevant, you know what I mean. Me just feel like say yo, she just find a little man and start deal with him, because look how long Brit never really dip on the scene like that. You feel like say no man never did a look Brit. Even this a youth you say how long him a look Brit. So if I something she did a try if you come back on the scene with, you don't think she'd do it long time. And even if she do it, everybody else do it, so nothing wrong. But let me know what I think with people. Or what some more.
Pay dirty ugly makeup. Pay dirty eyeglass. Pay dirty foolish you walk and buy with the money. Pure dirty blood clot foolish. Sometimes I see Brittany cook me the pan, oh my God. I could never eat from her. The man put some things in our oh, you man had blend up dirty water and drink it. But the pan. Wow.
Now sister Donia and Jabba's crush. Them alright? Yeah, them alright. And we just want to say God is good, God is good, God is good. Donia and Jabba's big up on yourself. Candy big up on yourself. They say to me and every day we go war and cuss. And God is able. And God is always a winner, we fight and we provider. So I'm glad so now alright. Guys, and just be careful on the road. and no weapon, no accident. You understand? No weapon that form against us shall prosper. And every word that come out of their mouth, with them speak ill of us. Hey. Cancel. No. Cancel. No. Cancel. No. No weapon. No weapon. No weapon. No mouth. No weapon. They say, oh, me wish you whosoever. I don't know if she said it. I don't know. Because if you don't realize, you just see me on the media. So that's why you see me don't take up people business for me head. You understand? But you don't wish people, dead pan people, you don't know me from nowhere. You go say, oh, you wish our sister. Listen to me, girl, you see that bitch name Karma, girl, don't run put her now. But I still come live still now, because I have two things to bust up still. I don't tell no lie. But you see, to me get a blood clot drop and my foot a hot me a fuck. Right now, it's more time me talk, it come like again and my foot me I feel the pain. So me I feel hearty first. Me I feel very hearty when me I come talk, you know. Yeah, it don't really matter if she drive, she could have walked, she could have fly. You know, wish that pan people, brother. What do you know? What do you know? You guys know much blood clot people not like me. You know much people not like me. I say, oh, they wish me walk and me drop my neck broke. What the fuck you feel like? You feel like I'm going to wish that pan you? I'm going to kill you with kindness. Because when God says me now wish that pan you, God going to say you are the problem. You are the problem. And Miss Bitch Karma gonna circle you. Cause that bitch named Karma, she don't left out her soul. And that's enough remember. So when you know I dig one hole, me attack in general, me attack for every blood clot body we sit down and I wish that for the next somebody. Uno sit down and wish say, as a man buy blood clot car, uno sit down and wish say, a man go drive and crash and broke their neck. Uno fi stop it. Out of order. Where so much people come from? Alright, Everclean, where you say, babes? Talk now, me I listen to you, babes. Me I listen now, me done.
My dad say is a fact that she drive and she wish crash on them. It might turn back around and when she drive, she crash.
Why, in all honesty, as much as she did and wish that, me no wish crash pan nobody. Girl, me crash in a car about 2 times and me I tell her say it's not a nice feeling. It is not a nice feeling. I don't wish crash and dead pan, not even my worst enemy. And listen to guys.
And then the facts that she talk about, oh, candy daughter, she had good fat bubble plan, but you don't talk about a child, that's wrong.
Listen me, you see in our life too, we have to split just. You see me? That's why sometimes me no come say nothing, you know, guys. Can you see me? Sometimes we have to split justice too, right? Because you have some people, and everybody gonna be the bigger person. Sometimes in our life, you have to know to be the bigger person. You understand? Some of us guys, as a person says something about our baby, we stoop to fit them level and start say the same thing. Remember, I never really did on TikTok, you know, so I don't know if my sister is saying about her son, whatsoever. But listen, as a mother, I'm not a mother, but as a mother, me not gonna stoop to somebody else's level and bring down an innocent child. And the truth is just the truth. You understand? As sick people, brother, sick people do them thing they broke. As when a baby come in this world, a baby never asks to come here so. A baby never asks to come here so. We go fuck and we go multiply and make the baby them come here so. So I don't think it's right overall for nobody be bringing down a baby. And the fact where you're going to say you're going to wish death on a child and you know that you have a child. Well, that's why I say me don't go say nothing, you know, because you see sometimes they say me chat too much, you know. And you see me not go cuss and me not go say, oh, go do this, go suck your mother this. Me not go do that. Me not go raise up my blood pressure, but me just come to say one thing. One thing me know is if I'm a born and grow, my granny tell me, say, young girl, when you dig in a hole, for somebody, dig two, my your foot slip and slide, go and drop in a one and draw everybody where you love.
So people, this is Candy's sister. You see what I say? I may never know say Candy our sister on TikTok also. You see me? But me not lie, she sound like Candy, so till me the check say Candy, you know, people. Why she talk, it just talking, you know. She sound just like Candy, me not lie. You see me? But me not go say Ivany need to stop these things because she been going on same way for the longest while. And she get even, you'd have say worse in a some sense, you know, since TikTok. You see me? So yeah, even the baby cussing thing where people are cuss, people pick me and I say this and that, rare. And Ivany start that trend there now, everybody have follow, you know. Says a girl where she just do the thing for the media, it look to me, you see, and people even follow it too. So let me know what to think with people. I just watch a little bit more and then we're going to end it.